Hey everybody, I'm about to show you my first big roller coaster solve of the Rubik's Cube. And I just want you guys to know, if you're thinking of attempting this yourself, first of all, on most roller coasters you're not allowed to bring loose objects onto the roller coaster, and if they tell you you can't bring your cube on, no arguing. You really shouldn't bring it on. That said, if you are allowed to bring it on, it's also pretty dangerous just to have it loose. So, because if this goes flying out of your hand, it could whack someone in the head, possibly kill them, and I don't think anyone wants manslaughter charges. So, what I have come up with is the Sky Cube, and I think it's also been used in a different form by other cubers to even like jump out of planes and do it. I think that's only been done once. But anyway, here on this side of the cube, I've drilled a little hole in the cap, and I have super glued the cap down so it can't come off. That's very important because the caps do come off, and if that happens, the rest of the cube bit is entirely useless. Here I've got an elastic string. Everything is double knotted. I don't want this coming apart. I've got it double and triple knotted in most of these parts, and I've got a fisheye screw here that exactly fits this hole, and it has to snugly fit there. Now, you can't tighten this too much, because if you tighten this too much, it starts to affect the turning. So don't tighten it too much. You don't want to compress the string, but you have to make absolutely sure that it's strong. Okay? And now, this side I've got sort of a safety pin sort of thing. It's not really sharp, but, you know, it's basically the same idea. And I just put that on a wrist strap here. Alright, and now I've got that on a wrist strap. I just put that on. And now it's pretty much safe. Look. Can't come off. The downside of this is it makes it a little tougher to turn the cube, but I think for safety's sake it is certainly worth it. So that is the Sky Cube. Now, enjoy the video.